Struggling with cramped tents on your group camping trips? Yep, we've been there too. There's nothing worse than trying to squeeze everyone and all their gear into a tiny space after a long day of outdoor fun. And don't even get us started on rainy nights, cold, wet, and miserable is not how camping should feel. If you're tired of wrestling with complicated setups that take forever, it's definitely time for a change. Let's make camping simple, comfortable, and actually enjoyable. Meet the Coleman Weathermaster, your new best friend for group camping. It's not just a tent, it's a game changer. Spacious? Absolutely. Weather resistant? You bet. With its roomy interior and dependable waterproof materials, the Weathermaster stands strong against wind and rain, keeping your group dry and cozy no matter what the forecast says. Plus, the quick setup means less stress and more time to relax by the campfire. Looking for something even quicker? Nightcat pop-up tents offer instant setup with zero fuss. Just open it up and boom, your shelter is ready. They're lightweight, portable, and perfect for those who value convenience without sacrificing comfort. Need a little more space or privacy? Try a multi-room tent ideal for families or groups who want some separation and better ventilation. Durable designs mean they can handle rough weather while giving everyone the room they need to stretch out. No more cramped, chaotic camping. With the right gear, your spring adventures can be smooth, safe, and super comfy. Check out lifecraftcenter.com for all your spring camping essentials and discover tents that completely redefine the way you camp. Click the link in the description to learn more and upgrade your next outdoor escape.